If you need to edit a Prezi created by someone else, the most important thing to know is that you can only make changes if the owner has shared the file with you and given you editing access. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that step by step so you can co-edit the same presentation with a classmate, coworker, or friend without confusion. And if this tutorial helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. First, ask the owner of the Prezi to open the presentation they want to share with you. They need to be the one who starts this process, because only the owner can grant access. Once the project is open, have them click the Share button. This is where Prezi lets them manage who can view or edit the file. Next, the owner should type your Prezi account email address into the access settings. Make sure they enter the same email address you used to sign into Prezi, because if the email is wrong, the presentation will not appear in your shared files. After entering your email, they should set your permission level to Can Edit. This part is very important, because if they only give view access, you won't be able to make changes to the presentation. Once that permission is selected, they can click Add to finish inviting you as a collaborator. After the owner sends the invitation, you can move to your own account. Log into your Prezi dashboard using the same account email that was shared with the project. Once you're inside your profile, look at the left sidebar menu and click the Shared with Me tab. This section shows all presentations that other people have shared with you, including files you can open and edit. Now look for the presentation thumbnail card that the owner shared. When you find it, hover over the card carefully. You should see a pencil icon labeled Edit. Click that icon to open the shared workspace. This will launch the presentation in edit mode, allowing you to work on the same file alongside the owner or anyone else who has editing permission. From here, any changes you make will instantly update on their file. That means if you add text, move objects, change layouts, or adjust design elements, those edits will appear in the shared presentation right away. So it's a great way to collaborate in real time and keep everyone working on the same version. Just remember, if you do not see the presentation in your Shared With Me tab, double-check that the owner used the correct email address and that they gave you Can Edit permission. Also, make sure you're logged into the right Prezi account because the shared file will only show up under the account that was invited. So, to quickly recap, the owner opens the project, clicks Share, enters your email, gives you Can Edit access, and adds you. Then you log in, go to Shared With Me, click the pencil icon, and start editing the shared Prezi file. It's simple once you know where to look, and now you can collaborate without accidentally creating separate copies. If this guide helped you, please give the video a like and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.